guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, gagawin ko yung mixing all my foundations video. Now, hindi ganun kadami yung foundations ko, guys. I think I only have 10 in here. Well, para sa akin, madami na siya. But like, you know, compared sa iba, like, konting-konti lang to. But para sa akin, it's more than enough. That's why I don't buy any more foundation unless, like, gustong-gusto ko talaga siyang bilhin. Or like, you know, like, gustong-gusto ko talaga siyang i-try, something like that. But I saw Kathleen Lights uploaded this video, so sabi ko, hala, gagawin ko din siya, gusto ko din siyang gawin. Gusto ko din talaga gawin tong video na to para makatulong sa mga, you know, kapwa morena. Kasi as you guys can see, like, I'm brown, I'm morena talaga, totoong morena talaga. And merong mga foundation shades dito na as in perfect match talaga sa skin tone ko. I will swatch it on my arm as well and maybe talk a little bit about each foundation kasi hindi naman siya ganun kadami. So, like, I feel like we will have time. So, okay, so magsisimula ako sa yung lagi kong ginagamit lately. Ito yung The Ordinary Colors Serum Foundation. I am in the shade 2.1Y Medium Yellow Undertones. Yung mga details ng shades, name ng foundation, ililive ko below, guys, para meron kayong reference. Sa mga foundations pala, guys, prefer ko yung may yellow undertone kasi yun yung mas nagmamatch talaga sa skin tone ko. Meron din namang mga foundation na pinkish yung undertone niya, pero like nagmamatch pa din siya. Pero iba talaga kapag yellow undertone. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. As you guys can see, very obvious yung yellow undertone niya, guys. As in, sobrang match talaga to sa mukha ko. As in, sobra. Meron siguro mga times na when I vlog or when I do like sit-down videos, mas maputi yung mukha ko tignan kaysa sa neck ko. Ganun lang talaga yung register niya sa camera, guys. Kasi sa totoong buhay, match naman. Actually, mas maputi pa nga yung neck ko tignan kaysa sa mukha ko eh. Pero, ganun lang talaga yung register niya sa camera na mas maputi yung mukha kaysa sa like rest of the body. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, gagamitin natin tong aking mixer. Mixer talaga, ha? Ganyan ba kadami? Hindi ko alam. Konti lang ba yan? Now, next foundation. Ito din. Maganda din to, guys. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. This is oil-free. And this used to be like my go-to foundation. My shade is Sand. And the packaging of this is just really nice. Wait, i-remove ko nga yung bracelet ko kasi medyo annoying siya. Kung meron kayong oily skin like ako, oily yung skin ko, I highly recommend it kasi again, oil-free siya. So, hindi siya like sobrang oily tingnan sa mukha. I think I have a review on this. And look at the swatch, you guys. The swatch looks really good. It oxidizes just a teeny bit. Siguro mga 10% oxidized. 10% oxidized. But yeah, sobrang bet ko tong foundation na to. I love the consistency as well. Now, next is my all-time favorite. Like, all-time favorite talaga, guys. Ito yung pangmalakasan ko na foundation talaga. Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. I am in the shade 4-in-1 Shell Beige. I love the gold packaging nitong isang to. Ang diferensya lang sa kanya, which para sa akin hindi naman like ganun ka big deal. This one wala siyang pump, so kailangan mo talaga like galing talaga sa bottle. Naging review na talaga itong aking ano. Wait, I will swatch it for you guys. So, ayoko siyang sayangin, beige. Humingi ako ng sample sa David Jones. Yung sample na yun, guys, yun pa yung ginamit ko sa wedding. And then right after our wedding, bumili ako nito agad-agad kasi I just love it so much. And yung sample niya, it lasted me like 2 months. So, kung makakahingi kayo ng sample, humingi kayo ng sample and gamitin nyo ng bonggang-bongga. Patsaka ng patsaka yung swatch ko, ah. But that is the swatch. Looks really, really good. Nakikita nyo naman yung trend ng shades natin, guys. Sa akin, ha, it does not look heavy. Natatakot ako na ilagay siya kasi baka maubos. Wait. Ay! Wait. Oh, okay. Oops. Oh! Whoa. Okay. Balik. Ay, naku. Sayang, guys. Next one is the Milani Conceal+perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer. I am in the shade 06 Sand Beige. Ano siya? Medium to full coverage. Hindi ko kasi prefer yung full coverage. So, hindi ko siya like masyadong kinakapalan para hindi ganun ka-OA sa mukha ko. Pero yung consistency nito, match siya sa mukha, pero hindi like flat matte na parang ang dry na mukha mo tingnan. I love this foundation. Ganyan yung swatch niya, guys. And kahit na light siya tingnan now, ipapakita ko siya ulit sa inyo mamaya kasi nag-oxidize siya sa akin. Sa akin lang naman. If you're looking for like not too expensive na foundation but good coverage, this one is really nice. So, yung consistency niya, medyo nasa thicker side. Alright, next one is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I am in the shade 240. Kung titingnan nyo siya sa packaging, guys, medyo light siya tingnan. Like, light talaga siya tingnan. But this one oxidized on me as well, which is great. So, that is the swatch right there. Tingnan nyo yung ano, guys, yung isa, diba? Nag-oxidize na siya, yung Milani. Now, this one, it will oxidize in a bit as well. So, ipapakita ko siya ulit mamaya. Woo! Okay, next one. Sobrang ganda din itong foundation na to, guys. Isa din siya sa mga paborito ko. At first, nung na-receive ko siya, akala ko, wow, very light niya. Pero it actually oxidized on me as well, which is great. I'm talking about the Lancome Ultrawear, kasi hindi ko mabasa yung 2 words before that. So, Ultrawear Foundation. I am in the shade 04. Bigay sa akin to ni Jen Fuzzy. Thank you so much. Meron siyang channel. I will do my best to leave the link in the description box. This is the best smelling foundation. Like, it smells like perfume. Sobrang bango niya. As in, sobra. And this looks really nice on the skin as well. Yung consistency niya reminds me of the Milani actually, guys. Medyo may pagka-thick yung consistency niya. Yung undertone nito is yung pinaka-off na undertone sa lahat. Medyo may pagka-pinkish na, medyo may pagka-like orangey yung undertone niya, pero nag-oxidize din siya sa akin. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo siya mamaya. Tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kabilis nag-oxidize, guys. Parang kanina, medyo may pagka-pink. Ngayon, medyo parang orangey na yung ano niya, undertone niya, diba? Sobrang bilis mag-oxidize nito. It's actually a really good shade para sa akin. See, yung consistency niya parang si Milani lang talaga. Very thick. Next one is the Wet n Wild Photofocus Foundation. I am in the shade Desert Beige. This is bigay din sa akin ni Nice of all stuff Nice dito sa YouTube. Ito ding ordinary foundation bigay niya sa akin. So, thank you so much. And alam niya yung shade ko, guys. Isang beses ko pa siya nagamit. And so far, so good naman. So, meron siyang spatula which is great. Yan. Reminds me of, ano ba yung may spatula? Sun Foundation, diba? Sobrang bet ko yung shade niya, guys. Look at that. Very noticeable yung yellow undertone niya. Hindi siya ganun ka-friendly sa concealer na ginamit ko when I wore it. Like, pahirapan yung pag-blend ko ng concealer ko. Pero okay lang siya. Maganda pa rin naman siya. It lasted the whole day. I actually featured it in a vlog. Guys, ilang foundation na ba yung na-mix natin? 2, 4, 6. Ikapito na to. Pero tingnan nyo yung aking ano, ang liit-liit lang. Yan lang na-accumulate ko so far. That's okay. Ito, hindi siya liquid foundation, guys. But I have to include this. This is one of my go-to foundations as well. Oh my gosh, what happened to you? Na-scratch siya. This is the Hourglass Vanish Foundation. I am in the shade Warm Beige. Ito sa lahat, yung pinakamadaling i-apply because it is a stick foundation. As long as nalagay mo na siya sa mukha mo and na-blend mo na siya, hindi siya pahirapan ma-blend. Ilagay ko siya dito sa harap, guys, ha, para makita nyo. Sobrang okay na okay siya sa oily skin. But that's what it looks like. Tingnan nyo nga yung ordinary foundation. Sobrang nag-match na siya sa skin tone ko. Bonggang-bongga talaga siya. This one's gonna be hard kasi hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya i-mix doon. Dito sa brush na to. So, meron tayong ganyan karami. Paano ko ba siya i-ano? Anyway, ito naman yung gagamitin ko pag mix mamaya eh. Pero nalagay ko na siya dyan, oh. Yan. LOL Liquid Foundation. I am in the shade Medium Beige. Now, to be honest with you guys, isang beses ko pa lang ito nagamit nung I did the review. Or actually, 2 beses. And I honestly do not remember kung ano na yung performance niya sa mukha ko noon. But, I have it in my collection. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna get rid of it kapag nag-declutter na kami. Kasi hindi ko to ginagamit talaga. But the shade looks like that. As you guys can see, match naman siya. So, I have the Revlon Colorstay Foundation 240 Medium Beige. Hindi ito yung shade ko, guys. It's actually lighter. Pero, again, I keep it just in case kailangan ko ng lighter foundation. This is way too light para sa akin. It looks like that. I can never use this just alone sa mukha ko kasi I'm pretty sure it's gonna look like para na akong multo niyan. And next one is the Sephora Brightening and Hydrating Foundation. I am in the shade Medium 30 Sable Sand. Isa din to sa mga lighter foundation ko. Looks like that. yung coverage nito sa naalala ko, hindi ganun ka okay yung coverage niya. I also have the Etude House Double Lasting Foundation. Oh my gosh, hindi ko alam yung shade. Hala guys, hindi ko alam yung shade niya. I kept it because naalala ko na maganda yung finish niya talaga guys. And maganda yung coverage din niya. Kaya nga lang, very, very light to sa akin. As in, very light. Okay, last one is not a foundation. But I wanna include it kasi ginagamit ko siya guys. Kasi maganda yung coverage nito. Parang foundation lang din. But this is the Mary Kay CC Cream. I am in the shade light to medium. Now, medyo just a tad bit lighter sa skin tone ko. Pero nafe-fix siya with like bronzer. So, okay lang siya. I still use it. But that's the shade right there. Pero yan na lahat ng foundation, guys. Tingnan nyo si Ordinary. Bongga talaga si Ordinary, guys. This one is si Estee Lauder. Perfect na perfect yung shade, diba? And then this one, I think, is si Wet n Wild. PAK. Now, onto the mixing. So, i-mix natin sila. Include natin si, Hourglass. Ayan. Bongga din. Hala, uy, ang ganda ng resulta, ha? In fairness naman. So, nag-film lang ako ng slight nung I tried following an unclothes makeup. That's why I have eyelashes on and eyeshadow. But it's time to put on and try on the foundation na minix natin kanina. So, I will go ahead and just apply it on my face using a damp sponge. Yung consistency niya, guys, medyo thick. Parang nangibabaw yung consistency ng Lancome. Yung consistency niya parang yung Lancome lang. Pasensya na guys ha, kasi si Mr. San nandito. Tapos parang ginugulo niya yung aking pa-video today in fairness naman talaga sa shade guys. Tingnan niyo yung shade guys. Medyo just a tad bit lighter. Pero ang bango ng Lancome. Yung bango niya yung nangibabaw guys. Right now, ang puti niya guys. Pero marami namang foundation dito na na-oxidize. So sana oxidize din siya sa mukha. Tingnan nyo, medyo may glow ng konti. Maganda siya tingnan. Very full coverage. Itong mixture ng lahat ng foundation natin. Very full coverage. Mag-a-apply lang ako dito din sa neck ko. Pero nakikita ko na parang nag-oxidize na siya, guys. Okay, feeling ko konti na lang, guys. Papunta na siya sa as in perfect match talaga. I will let it sit on my face for like siguro mga 5 minutes. Tapos, tingnan natin kung ano magiging itsura niya mamaya. Okay, guys. So, it has been siguro mga 10-15 minutes. Naglagay na ako ng concealer. Now, nung paglagay ko ng concealer, guys, hindi siya ganun ka-smooth. Para lang yung feeling ko nung naglagay ako ng concealer when I had just the Wet n Wild foundation on. So, hindi siya ganun ka-smooth. But, okay lang din naman siya. Nag-sit naman yung concealer on top of the foundation nicely. Yung pag-apply ko ng blush, walang problema. Pag-apply ng highlight, walang problema. Yung coverage niya din, sobrang ganda, guys. I actually really like it. I wanna keep this. Pero I think parang dalawang gamitan na lang yan. And guys, wala din tong powder ha. Pero tignan nyo yung finish. Hindi siya oily looking. It's very like nice and glowy. Naglagay ako ng highlight dito kasi ginaya ko yung makeup ni Anne and naglagay siya ng highlight sa noo niya. Pero yeah, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung mixture ng lahat ng foundation na yun ha. And na-enjoy ko tong video na to. So I hope na-enjoy nyo din guys. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Thanks for watching. Bye! Mwah!